Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Trustmark Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Trustmark Bank website. Log into your account by entering your username and password. Once logged in, locate the budgeting tool on your dashboard. Click on the budgeting tool to open it. Select the option to create a new budget. Begin by entering your monthly income. List all your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage. Add in variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Make sure to categorize each expense for better tracking. Review your total income against your total expenses. Adjust your budget by moving funds between categories if necessary. Set savings goals for specific purposes like travel or emergency funds. Save your budget once you've reviewed all entries. Monitor your spending regularly through the budgeting tool. Make adjustments as your financial situation changes. Utilize alerts and reminders to stay on track with your budget. Explore the reports feature to analyze your spending patterns. Continuously refine your budget to reflect your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.